Lamig din. Aga pa eh. Mamaya mainit na.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me be.
We are back in Bulacan. Going around San Rafael and San Ildefonso just like the last time, but maybe a slightly different route. Same destination though, we're going to a solar farm.
Just a few more.
You don't get to see this type of scenery in Manila, kaya parang manghang-mangha sa mga nakikita mo. At tuwang-tuwa ka rin sa mga nadidinig mo, yung mga ibon. So maganda to. In fact, even in our usual routes, in Gravel Dreams, kahit na probinsya ang iniikutan namin, hindi ganito ka-rustic ang mga nadadaanan namin.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Dami ring dirt and gravel roads dito na masarap padyakin whether you are on a mountain bike or a gravel bike.
Won't you stay? Tell me all your secrets.
Most of the roads here are like farm to market roads.
Only forgot.
Masarap balikan yung dati mo nang napuntahan. Lalo na kung nag-enjoy ka dun sa una mong pagpunta. And we did enjoy our first visit to the solar farm here in San Ildefonso, Bulacan. That's why we're going back.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Masarap balikan kasi this time around you can take in the experience from a different perspective. The first time you were here kasi parang nakatutok ka pa sa route. Mapatuba, maahon, mahirap padyakin. Pero ngayon, pwede mo nang i-enjoy ng todo.
Time races on, but I guess that we're not.
So just like last year, medyo umiinit na nga ngayon. I guess towards the end of Feb talaga umiinit na yan. No? So siguro, mas lalo ka nang nag-on ka na ng electric fan, gumagamit ka na ng aircon, whereas, you know, December, January, hindi pa.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Ano ba yan?
Online? No, I don't think so.
Parang bayo, parang sa simula mga
Ganyan nung bata ka. Hindi ba pinapaputok yan nung bata ka? Parang ginagano. Kalabasa yata to, di ba?
Tao rin. Some gourd.
Oh, it's a gourd.
Mustard leaves ang mustasa.
Mustasa.
Mustard leaves. Patola is silk squash.
Eh paano pag sinabi mong patola? Ano ibig sabihin nun?
Wala lang, para hindi ka nagmura. Tignan nyo na rin. Pulis patola in English. Patola ka na lang.
I'm out of breath. You whisper gently to the silent trees. I won't forget. You know the secrets of the late night breeze.
We were here almost exactly a year ago. And mas paputik yung area na ito dati.
Don't you worry now. Don't you worry now, my love.
Tapos ito yung Matarik eh, kakanan. Pagdating dyan, may kakananan tayo. Yun yung Matarik.
Today was rough, an easy slip and then you're out the door.
go, gravel! All the way up! Ano ba ako? Dumudulas-dulas pa. Last year, sobrang putik nito kay nilakad ko to dahil dudulas ka talaga sa paakyat. Ito mga hanggang dyan, basa. Doon na sa tulay nga daw, sabi ni Kuya.
Yan eh, doon din ang punta sa tulay eh, kaya mahirap yan.
Itong bagong tulay, kailan yun binuksan, Kuya?
Sa December yan, isang taon na.
Ah, isang taon na. Sa December na to, mag-iisang taon na. Salamat to.
Maraming naliligo nga dyan, ang hinahanap sinusundan yung map eh.
Oo, kasi dito ang sa mapa. Kasi bagong bukas yun. Sige ho, salamat to.
Sige.
Tama nga naman si Kuya. Dito rin daw ang labas nun eh.
Akala ko ikot pa yung dulo.
Pero sabi niya, marami daw naliligaw doon.
Hindi kasi bago lang to eh.
Yun nga, sa mapa daw yun kasi nakalagay. Green Hills, New Zealand.
Apparently, malapit lang sa route namin yung New Zealand. Ito yung sikat na puntahan ng mga nagbabike. Napapanood ko to sa YouTube, yung mga nagbumotor. So, medyo magdi-detour lang kami ng kaunti and we'll be having our merienda there.
Oh, it's all pretend. So don't you worry now, don't you worry now. All this soon will end. So don't you worry now, don't you worry now. All this soon will.
Pambukas pa lang kayo?
Gaganyan nilang na yan eh, yung mano.
Wala pa pambukas. Hindi ko to kaya eh. Dati kaya ko, kaya lang. Dapat nga eh.
Wala bang pambukas ang
Wala
multi-tool?
Yung tool kaya meron?
Yeah, don't you worry now, don't you worry now, my love.
Itong New Zealand naman is in Sapang Dayap. At least that's what they call it, Sapang Dayap. You can rent out the huts or kubo for a fee. We had pancit canton, samputo, and boiled eggs. May binaon pa kaming nilagang itlog.
So, sarap puntahan yung solar farm dahil one, you get to experience what the solar farm looks like and you know, you get to learn about the solar farm. It is renewable energy and we need a lot of RE these days. Actually makes you wonder, bakit hindi pa tayo nag-RE all the way? Bakit meron pa rin tayong fossil-based energy like coal, oil, and natural gas? So we're in the San Ildefonso solar farm. This can produce 22 megawatts when it becomes operational already.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know.
Mainit na ngayon. Don't forget to hydrate during your rides.
Pabalik na kami. Tatatlo na lang kami ngayon as Lloyd, Doc Kay, and Erwin had to leave early.
Also leaving me behind.
Tatawid tayo dyan.
Umabot
Ikot na tayo ng hindi eh, no?
What is the meaning of this? Mukha namang clear yung water. Kita mo yun, no? Nung naarawan, di ba?
At saka mababaw naman, no? Mukhang wala na tayong choice unless gusto umikot pa.
No.
Tara,
So,
bikeable ba yan?
bikeable ba yan?
Mukhang nandun na isa, mababaw lang naman eh. Saka pag hindi naman bikeable, talagang tatapak tayo.
Yeah, I could take off my shoes
Pwede nga.
bike barefoot and walk barefoot.
Paano mo tutuyin?
Like, nga, no? Maputik eh, no? Mabigat ipedal.
There he goes. Di ba? There you go.
Pagbagsak ko, nakatayo.
Actually, naisip ko nga eh, lalalim kaya ito, lalalim pa ba ito?
Lumalim nga pagdating dito.
Oy!
Ayan na siya, ayun, no? Kolong-kolong sana, oh.
Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
For now, we can only dream of a time na hindi na tayo dependent sa fossil-based energy, sa fossil fuel, and that we'll be able to maximize the use of renewable energy. That's it for today. Thank you for riding with us. We'll see you next time.